exclusive mountain resort, Canadian software developer Aldo Gates leads the lifestyle of the rich and famous.
We'll have your bones brought up right away, sir.
Yeah, I didn't know Aldo was a puppy, but I know after he was a success. But the success has not gone to his head. He's still the same old Aldo that I knew for the thing.
As an international playboy, one lover is not enough. He has someone new at every resort. Aldo works hard and plays hard. Devoted to his software empire, every vacation is a working vacation.
I knew Aldo when he was, still living up in Chilliwack and programming in his dad's basement. Yeah. He's come a long way since then, boy.
Hey, Lady, what's our food to name? Maybe? Wanna try these?
Loose women, partying, booze, can be tempting to those who have it all. Insiders say Aldo's drinking is encouraged by his personal assistant, Nancy. The results of his binging are not always pretty, and best kept behind closed doors. Luckily, Aldo's crack security team is always at the ready to pick up the mess. Aldo might live on the edge, but he knows when it's time to quit. After a few more days of shopping, extreme sports, and pampering, Aldo will be ready to check out and get back in the game.
You had a wonderful stay while you were here. Thank you very much for staying at the Fairmont.
It's a real success story.
Yeah, he really is. An inspiration to all of us.